Hi everyone, in front of me I've got an OPPO A6x and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings. And here in this general list we have to scroll all the way down to find System and Update. Then let's tap on Backup and Reset and tap on Reset Phone. So at the top we've got the option we're looking for, so Reset Network and Bluetooth settings and Mobile Network settings, so of course two. So just tap on it and enter your screen lock to confirm. Here we've got the information, so just tap on Reset, and now we have to wait until this option will be, this operation will be finished. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.